What's wrong with Matt? Did he lose his lightsaber? Did he eat too much hot sauce? Or is it?
Yeah. Yes. Okay, got it. We're on it. All right, I just got word. It's a factory authorized clear event.
Is there 0% lease and financing available?
Yes, there is.
Can customers spin the wheel for prizes?
Yes, they can.
Do we have a large inventory of talismans?
Yes, the largest.
Are there trips for 2 to Las Vegas available?
Absolutely.
Is there a date night available with Paige?
That's up to Paige. But right now, let's get out there and tell the world.
Come into Precision Hyundai for the factory authorized clearout. Lease or finance from 0% on select models. Get up to $4,000 in price adjustments on select models. A chance to spin the wheel to win. And with your purchase, get a trip for 2 to Las Vegas. This won't last, so come into Precision Hyundai because this is the big one.
So, how's your weekend?
Great.
Precision Hyundai, Western Canada's best Hyundai dealership.